Hey guys, welcome to another video on this channel regarding the Unity runtime fees and the Unity terms of services. I know most people are already annoyed by this topic and subscribe to this channel for content about my game, and I promise the next videos will be about my game again. But still, I think this little update will interest some Unity developers, so I'm doing a little follow-up video on the runtime fee topic. Unity published an open letter to the Unity community on September the 22nd, in which they apologized that the communication went wrong and that there was no proper communication with the developers. The letter was written by Mark Witten, leader of Unity Create, which includes the Unity engine and the editor teams. The letter is intended to clear up some misconceptions, but also to row back in the hope that the developer community will be appeased. But of course, even this step is not completely perfect. First of all, the good points. Unity Personal Plan will remain free, and there will be no runtime fee for games built with the Unity Personal. They also will increase the cap from $100,000 to $200,000, and the known made with Unity splash screen is now optional, so you don't have to use this anymore on your free plan. This is good, especially for hobby game developers like me, and reduce the entry barrier. Also, I don't have to see the made with Unity splash screen anymore. But now we're coming to some bullet points we have to talk about. The runtime fee for Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise stays. The fees are calculated with either 2.5% of the revenue you make with that game, or the calculated amount based on the number of new people engaging with your game each month, whatever is the lesser amount. And now the tricky part comes in. Both of these numbers are self-reported from data you already have available. To give you a little food for thought, I'll read a Reddit post from the Ploppist. They did not remove the install fee, they just changed the parameters. Nobody would have complained about a revenue share of 2.5%. Ask yourself why this install fee needs to exist at all. If kept at 2.5%, it means the install fee does not benefit Unity. It benefits devs lying about low install numbers. Ask yourself seriously why they would keep this. Think about the long game here. Getting developers to agree on an install fee sets a legal precedent for them to keep altering the deal year by year. Next year the cap goes up to 5% and the install fee doubles. It gives them precedent to argue that devs are not being truthful to justify tracking software built into the executable. Seriously, think about why they are so adamant about keeping the most viciously hated change in the entire history of the engine. This isn't a back down, it's a reassessment of their strategy. You've bought yourself one more year of Unity before they change the rules yet again. The splash screen is small potatoes. They know as well as we do that shitty games released with a made in Unity is not good for advertising. This is an olive branch they should have extended 5 years ago, and it will have precisely zero effect on their income. And that makes me doubt all the backrowing. Also, a Unity employee wrote in the official forum that prices can change at any time. Our terms of service provide that Unity may add or change fees at any time. We are providing more than 3 months in advance notice of the Unity runtime fee before it goes into effect. Consent is not required for additional fees to take effect, and the only version of our terms is the most current version. You simply cannot choose to comply with a prior version. Further, our terms are governed by California law, notwithstanding the country of the customer. I think it will be quiet in the next while. Many developers will be happy that they don't have to pay money anymore and don't have to use the splash screen, but bigger game studios might really have problems because Unity keeps the option open to change prices afterwards. I, as a small developer who is not even close to the old threshold of $100,000 in revenue, will, when my current project is finished, see how the situation in the market has changed. If it stays like this, I will continue my games with Unity, but I will always keep the option open to switch an engine like Godot myself. I don't know if you like it, but I don't even know where my journey will take me yet. Until then, I hope to have a lot of fun with game programming in general, so yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you're interested in game development or my project I'm running on this channel. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video.